Hey real estate fans, I'm Mark Height with Keller Williams Realty, coming to you with your first snippet of information of the new year. We saw real appreciation in home prices for the first time in 2012 since the Great Recession of 2008. That's right, the average home price moved up 5.5% over the previous year's numbers. Now, while we didn't get back all the devaluation of 9 and 10, we did make a significant inroad to returning stability in home sales prices. In addition, the new year is off to a huge start. We saw sales up 34% in the month of January. What that means is we need more inventory for the buyers coming to market taking advantage of these low interest rates. So if you know someone that is thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, or just want to know what their house is worth today, call me. Mark Height. I'm at 667-9385. That's 667-9385, area code 423, or email me mark@markheight.com. Once again, hope to see you soon, and let us know who you know that may be thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate.